Catcher here. You guys can call me Prankster Block, but it must be easier to call me Catcher or Mr. Quintos. Today we'll be playing My Teardrop. I haven't even played this. I uploaded the video and deleted it, kind of like Disney Throwaway Club Penguin and like kind of like that. But instead, I just left it to download. I guess forget about my auto clicker there. Useful for something. Collecting droplets. That's new. Hey. How is your food meter at 98% even though? Wait, I forgot I fed you 5 minutes ago. I'm sorry. I lied. Well, let's see what's new then. Drop tennis, wait. Nah, we need it at 1 millisecond. And actually, nah, I just put it at 1 millisecond. Alright, I put it in the middle. Let's see what happens. I hate you so much. Wait, let me put it. Let's try again. Come on. I hate you so much. This is how I grinded. Please. Oh! I'm dominating, guys. Yo! That's impossible. There's no way. Bounce. This is the best position. I need top. You suck. You little fucking straw. You suck. Look at my unlimited click count. Bro, my score. The only thing I'm seeing on the bottom is perfect. Perfect, man, nice. Nice, bad. When was that mountain there in the background? Give up, honey drop. Give up. You don't get to live in life, you know that. Good day, you got eliminated in teapot 10. Wait, isn't it teapot 9 or teapot 10? I don't remember. Give up. You already got eliminated teapot. Come on. Oh, nah. She ain't giving up. She ain't giving up. Come on. Yo, wait. I grinded. So full. Right. Holy, wait, I already have so much. Home. I put this here. I also was saying this on one of the school's computers. I tried to be bfdi 5P. Oh no! No! I want to come out again. I want this. Bet. Hey, pro. Okay. Easy peasy. Why is that English? You drop? Fuck you so much. I gotta take my time with it. I'm not stupid. I am. Wait. I see now. You can't dominate me. Come on. I actually did that on purpose. I'm sorry. I hate those ones. Call me teardrop, but she doesn't even talk. That's bro. Oh wait, there. Guys, stop posting shit about Woody and Teardrop. That is not funny. Yeah, see. 16. I hate you. Oh my god, no cakewalk. Yeah, read a little bit. I'm sorry. Yo, I'm not doing mine. I'd see my sweaters. Every sweater. What's the difference? Wait. Let's get the normal teardrop. I see the difference with the silent type. I don't really see the difference. Wait, wait, let me look at that one. I don't see a difference. I think it's the shading. I like white teardrop. Chocolate drop. Yum. Dial up. What is the preview? I like the juice, but not on my pizza. Oil. I don't want to say this. Did he have a costume? Oh my god, no. Wait. Achievements. I got sports drop already. Bro, I got oiled up. Let's see what we have in the fridge. Let's got different. What level am I? Wait, what level am I? Oh, I'm 18. No, actually, in real life, guys, let's eat Fries' cousins. I gotta dip them in red sauce. And it's gonna be so yummy. You want put him in? You want froze? I'm sorry, but bro, his oh my god, throw his whole family into McDonald's. Watch him get eaten by 5-year-old kids that are super hyper, and get dipped in red sauce. Brother. Oh. God, why lemons? When did I actually get those? Bro. You want more, eh? Stop looking like you're oiled. Actually, that is. I like your original look. When you smile for a time. Now with the oiled looking look. Yeah. What should you try? Face match. Please. It's gonna be so bad. Come on. No! That was so close. Oh, wait. No, wait. Let's give her a donut. You don't want a donut. What do you want then? Strawberry? Here. What do you want then? You're picky. Here. That's the smallest fruit ever. It's a blueberry. What do you want then? Tell me, what do you want? We came to talk. Want. Tell me, what do you want? Please. Make it worth my price. No, bro. Oh my god. I don't feel bad. I don't feel bad. Still picky? Want more then? I'm sorry. What are you doing? Stop blinking. Alright, let's go to I actually did. I only fed at 49. That's so impossible. Bro, how am I supposed to know? Mile high pie. Wait, it's on. Auto clicker. More like teardrop abuser. Teardrop. You got 96%. Don't be a picky eater. No. Why you don't want that? Dude, this must be worth my budget. Wait. I'm gonna be the hugest brain ever. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, I know why the lemon's here. You want this? Finally! Wait, level 19. Wait, I wanna reach level 20. I'm not even close, bro. I want you to feed you everything. You get obese. Be mega obese. You eat my... Speed run. Bro, straight lemons. Free one of the boys. Wasting my whole budget. Come on. Do something. I should clear out my hole. Alright, we got more space for more lemons. I'm being the biggest brain ever. Reaching another level, guy. Wait, what? Alright, let's see what that new superfood is. What is it? Bro. burnt taco. I feel bad. I hate both of them. Not teardrop, but I hate Bell and taco. Guys, I'm not a simp. My whole budget. I just want to clear out my fridge. I'm a type 2 super brain. Right. Eat this. Alright, guys. Oh! Oh! Hey, lemon drop. So limey. Actually, sour it out. Oh, I'm not done. Still need to. Can you let me clear out my space? I can't believe I use you for my juice. Take it off. Wait, that actually makes sense. This is actually important. You don't want anything. No way, I'm actually paying attention to this. And this is in the middle of the video. Draining my whole inventory in this random teardrop game from bfdi. No. Please. Make it worth it. No, bro. Give you the taco treatment. No. I guess I'm ready for here for a bit. I'm gonna go read my World War II book. They're watching. Alright, I stopped my auto clicker, I'm sorry. Alright. Not much. No, I said no again! Wait, I forgot to do something. Settings. Oh. No. Stop. Wait for. Such a liar, bruh. Oh. Wait, 2024 already passed. You missed it. You're stuck in 2024. Haha, I'm sorry. You know what? I won't say it. I'm not gonna judge it. I feel sorry. Ooh, blood drop. Blood drop looks like something that comes out of my nose. No. after this dry air. Alright, that's it for now. See ya. So much grinding, bro.